Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us continue the next part of a deterministic finite automata. So in this lecture, we'll be working with the lengths, guys. Okay. Yes. So let us start. Okay. Yes. So assume that our first question says that to find the strings which are of exactly length 3, guys. So basically, if there are exactly of length 3, so the length 3 could be with respect to A or B's mixture also, right? So this is a length 1, length 2 and length 3. So here also it could be A or B, here also it could be A or B, here also it could be A or B. So we are just working with respect to length, right? So Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. So this is exactly length 3. So as we know, if it is greater than length 3, we need to reject it, right? Because they told exactly length 3. So I think we can loop it here, and this is a dead state, right? Yes. So this is for length exactly length 3. So what if the given question is length greater than or equal to 3? Okay, so the only trick is, so don't take this note, so directly make your only loop. So because we need greater than or equal to 3, so along with equal to 3 you are going to accept greater values also. So 4 you will accept, 5 you will accept. So we are going to accept everything after this, right? Q3, this is an loop A comma B, right? Yes. And what if the given question is mod W is less than or equal to 3? Okay, so at that time, so I think I'm not going to draw the diagram, guys. So this is the same diagram, and just to modify here you will add circles, guys. So that is nothing but a W less than or equal to 3. So 3 is accepted, 2 is accepted, 1 is accepted, 0 is also accepted. Got it? Yes. So now assume that these questions are really easy, right? Yes. So assume that examiner wants to play with us. So at that time, what he will do, guys? So instead of saying the total length, he told length of A should be exactly equal to 2. So basically, if AA, it will accept. ABA, it will accept. ABBBBBA will accept. A will be rejected. So that's what it is saying, right? Yes. So let us try to draw it. So the minimum string is AA, right? So A and A. So Q0, Q1, Q2. So anything comes up before this AA, if 100 B's comes, there is no issue. You will loop. Similarly, after one A, one more A is there, but in between 100 B's comes, we can loop because our order is there is no restriction of any order. You just need 2 A's, that's it. Okay. So once we overcross or cross 2 A's, if we got 3 A's, assume in that way. Or okay, so assume that we got a B's here, so you can loop here. But assume that we got 3 A's. So we need to go outside, and this is going to be a dead state, right? So here if you come, you can never go back. So once we cross a 3 A's, it's a dead end, right? So it might be anything, but we are not going to accept it. Got it? Yes. So this is with respect to mod A. Mod A equal to 2. So in the same way, he can say that mod A is greater than or equal to 2, right? So at that time, this thing you will combine with this. So indirectly here you will have a self loop A comma B, right? Yes. And if the question is less than or equal to 2, you are going to make these 2 also circles, right? That's it, right? Yes. Okay. So now you understood, right? So how exactly we are understanding or how we are trying to solve these things? Yes. Okay. So now instead of writing in this way, so assume that he gave in this way. So mod W is equals to 0 mod 3. So what exactly he is saying, guys? So all the multiples of 3 should be accepted as the remainder is 0. So he is saying that if I apply mod 3 for my number, I will get 0. So that's what he is saying, right? Yes. So indirectly it should accept a 0, 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay. So what is mod value here? 3. So write down 3 states, guys. So this is a trick which I always apply. Okay. And once you draw the 3 states, he told 0 is the result, right? So circle the 0th one. So this is Q0, right? So circle 0th one. And this is A comma B, this is A comma B, and make a loop of A comma B. So if you observe here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So every 3 table multiple will be coming here only, and that is a final state. Got it? Yes. So assume that in the question, instead of 0, he gave 1 mod 3. So what you will do, instead of making this a final state, you will make the middle % final state because it is 1 mod 3. Got it? Yes. So now you understood, right? So how exactly we are solving it? Yes. So these questions are a bit popular, guys. So that is the reason why I am covering these questions. Okay. Yes. So in the same way, you can try for 0 mod 2, 1 mod 2, 2 mod 3, 2 mod 4. Okay. I think everyone can try it, right? Yes. Okay, so now you are clear with that. So assume that now we are having one more variation of questions, that is count in terms of odd and even, guys. So assume that in the question they are saying odd number of zeros. Odd number of zeros. Odd number of zeros means what, guys? So we want only odd number of zeros. So means 0 zeros or 3 zeros or 5 zeros. Okay, in that way, right? Yes. So the first 0 I will come here. The second 0 I will come here. And the third 0 come here. So indirectly it's also, it is what, guys? Indirectly odd number means it's what, guys? It is nothing but 1 mod 2, right? So that's what we have drawn, right? Yes, that's quite easy, right? Yes. So in the same way, if the question is given instead of zeros, if they give AB. So I think everyone can draw for that also, right? Yes. Similarly, even occurrences of BAA, I think that also we can draw, right? So these questions are really easy, guys. The thing is you should practice these things, right? Yes. Okay. Yes. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea with respect to all these representations, right? Yes. So now if you are okay with these representations, you can easily draw for any graph and you can also run them, right? So if you want to test whether 5 zeros are accepted, so first 0, second 0, third 0, fourth 0, fifth 0 accepted. In that way, I think everyone can test also, right? Yes. So in the next lecture, we'll be discussing about the number of different possible DFAs. So that's also an important topic to be clear, because it was asked like twice or thrice in the GATE examination. So we can expect a question from this, right? Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the number of different DFAs. And after that, we will be moving on to the complement of a DFA, guys. Okay. Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.